हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਲੈਕਚਰ 'ਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ what are the applications of partial derivative. The first application of partial derivative is partial derivatives are used in finding tangent and the normal planes to the surface. So consider any surface f of x y z is equal to 0. Then the equation of the tangent plane to this surface is defined as equation of a tangent plane at any journal point. We have considered a journal point x y z. Then this equation of a tangent plane is defined as partial derivative of a surface with respect to x, x minus x, partial derivative of a surface with respect to y, y minus y, partial derivative of a surface with respect to z, z minus z is equal to 0. These are the partial derivative of a surface at the z point, जिस point ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ tangent plane find करना है. Second application is application of partial derivative is in finding a normal to the surface. So normal to the surface at any point P find करना है. Then equation is x minus x divided by partial derivative y minus y by the partial derivative with respect to y is equal to z minus z divided by the partial derivative with respect to z. We will discuss how to find tangent and normal planes of surfaces by considering some examples. So first example is find the equation of the tangent plane and the normal line to the surface x, y, z is equal to a cube at a journal point x1, y1 and z1. So this is the equation of a surface. We can write this equation as f of x, y, z is equal to, shifting all the terms on one side, is x, y, z minus a cube is equal to 0. For finding tangent and normal planes, we need partial derivatives of our function. So is the partial derivative with respect to x, consider the other coefficients constant. So x the derivative is 1, rest of the values as such, क्योंकि इन्हां नूं असीं constant ਮੰਨਿਆ. ठीक है, जिद्दां असीं 2x the derivative करते हैं, 2 is considered as a constant, then what is the derivative of 2x is 2. उसे तरीके नाल इनू असीं constant ਮੰਨਿਆ, say 2 3 4 5 जैसा. एंड जे सिर्फ कल्ला ही एक कॉन्सटेंट पिया होवे तां उसका डेरीवेटिव कितना हुंदा 0. सो इस करके इसका डेरीवेटिव की हो गया 0. Similarly, partial derivative with respect to y is 1 into the constants. Partial derivative with respect to z into this. So all the derivatives at the point x1, y1, z1. Put x is x1, y is y1 and z is z1. इस डेरीवेटिव ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ x ਨੂੰ x1, y ਨੂੰ y1, z ਨੂੰ z1 ਲਿਖਿਆ. ਇਹ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਸਾਡਾ partial derivative at the given point. Similarly, this is a partial derivative at the given point. Now what is the equation of the tangent plane? तो आपको पढ़िया सीगा equation of a tangent plane is x minus point into the partial derivative with respect to x, y minus the point into the partial derivative with respect to y, z minus the point into the partial derivative with respect to z. Divide this whole factor by x1 into y1 into z1. तो इत्थे division होगी with x1, y1, z1. x1, y1, z1, x1, y1, z1. So x1, y1 will cancel. We are left with, sorry, y1, z1 cancel out. We are left with x1. z1, x1 cancelled out. We are left with y1. So this will give us the equation. Further, what can we do? इसनों असी होर खोल के लिख सकते हैं. This can be written as x divided by x1 minus 1, y divided by y1 minus 1, z divided by z1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Separating the denominators. ठीक है. So shifting the minus 1 factor on the right hand side, we will get this equation of the tangent plane. Now we will find equation of the normal line at this point. So formula see sada x minus x1 divided by partial derivative is equal to y minus y1 by partial derivative, z minus z1 by partial derivative. Substitute value of the partial derivatives. This will give us the equation of the normal line. We will discuss another example. Find the equation of the tangent plane for the surface x cube plus y cube plus 3xyz is equal to 3 at a point 1, 2 and minus 1. So सानू चाहिए tangent plane इस surface दा इस particular point 1, 2, minus 1 ते. First of all, what is equation of a surface? Shifting all the terms on one side. Now find the partial derivative of this surface with respect to x, y and z. So is the partial derivative with respect to x is 3x square, is to be x pair plus 3yz. Partial derivative with respect to y is 3y square plus 3xz. Partial derivative with respect to z is 3xy. At this point 1, 2, minus 1, what are the values of all the partial derivatives? So put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to minus 1. in all the partial derivatives. Now what will be equation of tangent plane at this point? Remember, equation was x minus the point into the partial derivative with respect to x, y minus the point into partial derivative with respect to y, z minus the z coordinate into the partial derivative with respect to z. Now simplify this equation. This will give us the equation of the normal plane.